Do you want to never lose marks again on questions about the payback period? If so, make sure you watch this entire video. So the payback period is one of the 3 investment appraisals that you will need to know for your exam. And what we are going to do in this video is we're going to work through an example of how to calculate the payback period. So this would be a typical table that they give you in your exam, where they present to you the net cash flow and the year of the cash flows as well. But what we want to start off doing in terms of to calculate our payback period is that we want to calculate the cumulative cash flow for each year. And the way we start to do that is that we start to get this first value in year 0 and move it across to here. But bear in mind the brackets represent a negative number, so here would be negative 450,000. Then to calculate the cumulative cash flow of year 1, we add the negative 450,000 plus the 50,000, which would give us negative 400,000. And then what we would do is that we would do this over and over again until we hit year 5. So we can see in year 0, our cumulative cash flow is negative 450,000. Year 1, negative 400,000. Year 2, negative 315,000. Year 3, negative 185,000. Year 4, negative 35,000. And year 5, positive 190,000. Now the payback period is equal to when we recuperate our initial investment. And that is at the point where our cumulative cash flow is equal to 0. However, on this, we don't know exactly when 0 is. However, we know that 0 happens somewhere in between year 4 and 5. So to calculate the exact month, what we want to do is we want to take out how much is left in order for the cumulative cash flow to hit 0 and divide that by the net cash flow in the next year. And then we times that by 12 because that's how many months there are in 1 year. And then we take that value of 1.86 months and then add that onto the number of years. As we can see, it's between year 4 and 5. So we would go for 4 years. Therefore, our answer is 4 years and 1.86 months. Make sure that you're following me for more business content.